Let's talk about first-time hookups. Now, sometimes it seems like it takes forever for our favorite couples to do the deed, while other times it just comes out of the blue. Now, the US just had an Independence Day, so I say we exercise our freedom to vote on favorite first-time hookups. I'm Jason C. One Tree Hill really caught us with our pants down, pardon the pun, when Skills tamed cougar babe Deb.
I mean, obviously nothing can happen here. I mean, because it can't.
You're right. Nothing can happen.
Nothing.
Absolutely nothing.
What's one night between two consenting adults, right?
Maybe one night and the next morning.
Oh my.
On Reaper, it took Andy a while to figure out her true feelings for Sam. But when it came time for that awkward moment of deciding what to do on the first date, hey, they just went for it.
Wow, that was...
Yeah,
Okay, how about I just come over?
let's do that.
That is the last time you come between me and Tony.
Steve, not a good time.
Make it a good time.
Sam?
I'm afraid Sam has to cut your evening short, but may I say, you look good enough to eat. Come on.
Then the shock factor comes into play with Supernatural's Dream a Little Dream of Me. Now, it may have been just a dream, but it felt pretty real to Sam.
What are you doing?
I can't stop thinking about you.
What? Are you sure?
Sam, oh.
Sam, wake up!
Imagine living with the person you love and not being able to, you know, because he might kill her. Well, Lana from Smallville wasted no time when she got her superpowers.
Lana, guess I should go out and fix the barn. You x-raying me?
Gossip Girl was happy to report that after Blair's breakup with Nate, she managed to mend her broken heart with Chuck, an act we here at the CW Source have coined as getting herself some Chucksual healing.
Well, everything's nothing without you. I want you to know with everything I won't let this go. These words are my heart and soul. I'll hold on to this moment, you know, 'cause I bleed my heart out to show. And I'll run to this moment, you know, 'cause I bleed my heart out to show.
Time to vote. Now, if you're not at www.cwsource.tv, you really can't cast a vote because comments don't count. So make sure you get out there, click on the Sources logo, and your vote will count. I'm Jason C, and I'll be back soon with another Sources.